Welcome back to all my beautiful mothers. How are you? This is Our Second Empire, a YouTube channel that comes on every Tuesday and Thursday, giving you more information about maternity. What to expect from your cesarean scars healing. The first few days, you want to keep your C-section scar incredibly clean. So do you remember how a couple of weeks ago I mentioned the peri bottle? Well, yeah, you want to keep that one on hand, and you want to have filtered / clean water. So wherever it is you are in the city, I suggest just getting a little Brita filter and just filling up your peri bottle with as clean of water that you can get. Next, when it comes to cleaning, you want to make sure not to use any soap. Just use water, because soap will irritate the skin even if it's really mild. You just want to use just clean water for the first little bit. After you have cleaned your incision, you're going to want to keep it dry and covered. So all those cotton gauzes that you have, use them. Get more. You want to be comfortable and dry. Those are things that right now, little mama, are more important than you will ever be able to imagine. If you're worried about a little bit of blood and drainage coming from your cesarean scar, do not be alarmed. It's okay if there's a little bit of pussiness coming out. That means that your body's actually healing itself, so it's a good thing. If at any point in time you get rips or tears and you're bleeding through your bandages, go to the hospital, little mama, and just get re-stitched. So for the next few weeks, that was all a few days postpartum. The next few weeks is pretty much the same thing. Just now in the next few weeks, you'll be able to use soap while you wash. And you'll also notice that your scar is going to begin to scab and maybe fall off. Remember, when your scar begins to scab, do not pick it. Just let it be. If you're a wuss with pain very much like myself, I would definitely be the type of person to ask my doctor whether ibuprofen would be all right for me to use postpartum. So if that's something that you want to do it. Another thing, you know those stools that you use when you're older to sit on the toilet and it just raises the toilet seat for you? Get one of those, because when you're bending and standing, the middle section of your body, you're gonna be achy and sore, little mama. So if you can go to either like a thrift shop, or if you know any old people, ask to just borrow their toilet seat for 2 or 3 weeks just while you continue to heal. Right now, you're probably not going to want your mother-in-law involved with anything, as she might begin to parent your new child. So it's okay to lock the door. Have 1 or 2 really good friends that either have had babies or are just willing to take care of you. Make sure they're the type of people that will come in, do a load of laundry, fold it, do the dishes, kind of help you out, and just leave quietly out the back door. Coughing and sneezing. It happens to the best of us at any point in time. You know when you're on your period and you sneeze and you just think like, well, this time think of it, but just more painful. So what you do is you just grab a pillow or something really soft and spongy and press it against your cesarean section scar just a little bit while you cough or while you sneeze, and that should help ease the pain. I said ease the pain, not get rid of it. You're still going to be in pain, sweetheart. Another thing to look up is a pico bandage. That in itself is a whole other video, so maybe I'll do that one later in the week for you. But look at a pico bandage, and I'll make sure to describe it here just so you know how to spell it all, because, you know. Congratulations, mama, on giving birth. We are so excited for you. And we understand that C-sections are really not a comfortable postpartum lifestyle. You're a woman, you're a hero, you're a healer, you're a lover, you're a friend. You do all these amazing things that men are not capable of doing, and you give life and sustain it. So if you have to take a little extra time for you, a little downtime for you, Do it, little mama. You deserve it. Thank you again, my beautiful friends, for watching another episode of Our Second Empire. It is always a pleasure to talk to you, beautiful ladies. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, do not forget to check out the website. I just posted a bunch of really cute pieces in new collections, i.e. the baby carrier collection and some swimwear. So don't forget to check that out as well. Thank you again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.